Hey, Motorman here with my tip of the week. You know, practicing should be fun. And this is a great exercise to practice, to have some fun at the same time. By the way, if you get some wind noise on this video, I can't help that. Right now in Florida here, it's 80 degrees, but with the wind chill factor, it's 79.5. So we call this a barrel race. You got two cones. I don't know, they're 30, 40 feet apart. It doesn't matter. You're going to pull up as fast as you can. You're going to go around the circle and a half to the left for the first cone, circle and a half to the right for the second cone, and then come to a complete stop with the handlebars pointed straight ahead. Joe's going to demonstrate it. You can do this with two people. Time each other, time yourself, try to get a better time each time you go around the cones. Remember, head and eyes, friction zone, a little bit of rear brake, that's all there is to it. Joe, how's that? The tighter the turn you make around the cones, the quicker your time. Have some fun with it. Till next week.